On today's installment of Big Al's Garage, a viewer request. How y'all doing? Welcome to another installment of Big Al's Garage. Today we are here with my 2016 Camry because we are going to tackle something that a early subscriber requested. Changing wiper blades. That's not going to be the most exciting video, but we're going to do it. First thing to do is just swing the wiper blade arm up. And these are Rain-X wiper blades, expert fit. 26 inches for the driver's side, 18 inches for the passenger side. I'm going to bring the camera in a little bit closer so you can see this a little better. Okay, so you've got this little fitting here where the wiper hooks onto the arm. To get the old one off, you just push down, move it over slightly and up. If I'd been smart, I would have unboxed this first. Okay. Really do need to get better at showmanship. Okay. You have multiple fittings here for multiple makes and models. Here is the replacement bracket. That mounts here. It goes in like so, with this part, the back part of it here, facing the left-hand side of the car. I'm going to double check that, make sure I'm correct. Yes, I am. Just snaps right on, as you can see. Now we go in like this, and then we just push it up, and it should snap into place. There we are. It doesn't even make a loud snap. And zoom out slightly. You should be able to get about a year out of a set of wiper blades. Using Rain-X on your windshield regularly does help a lot. I usually apply that quarterly. Also helps with keeping the dead bugs off. I just got back from a road trip. Alright. Now that's... oh. This one, it comes already on for some reason. Okay. There we go. That's all there is to it. Easy peasy mac and cheesy. That's all for today. I hope you will please like, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you next time.